Oklahoma voters approved it.
But tonight, one of those state questions is in jeopardy. The Council on American Islamic Relations, along with local religious and civil rights leaders today, announced a lawsuit against what they call an anti-Islam ballot measure. State Question 755 passed in Tuesday's election. The measure forbids judges from considering Islamic law or international law when deciding any cases in Oklahoma. New at 6, why opponents are calling the measure unconstitutional. News Channel 4's Jesse Wells joins us now live from the newsroom with more on the legal challenge. Jesse.
Kevin, opponents of 755 know the court challenge won't be popular with many Oklahomans, but they believe it's needed to protect the freedom of religion for Muslims across the state. It passed the state Senate and House by huge margins. On Tuesday, voter after voter after voter, 70% did the same. But now a lawsuit has been filed to stop State Question 755 from ever taking effect.
Anytime any minority is told they do not have the same rights as the majority, I feel compelled to speak up.
Munir filed the lawsuit in question. His supporters at this crowded press conference say the state question banning Sharia law merely promotes pointless bigotry against Muslims.
It is time to put aside this foolish Islamophobia and celebrate once again being the American melting pot.
Even without 755, Sharia law has never been used to decide cases in Oklahoma courts.
How real is the threat of Sharia law becoming the law of the land? Well, probably about as likely as a band of Catholics managing to get canon law as the tool that courts would use to adjudicate disputes.
The lawsuit's unfounded. It's not necessary.
Lewis Moore, one of the question's primary authors, condemns the lawsuit, calls 755 a preemptive action to protect the Constitution.
If they want to live in America, they need to be Americans, and they need to adapt to the American culture.
We have certain unalienable rights, and these rights cannot be taken away by a political campaign.
Finally, basically, the lawsuit is seeking to have the federal courts stop the election board from certifying the election results of 755. Right now, there's no timetable for when a court decision will be made. Stay tuned. Back to you.